Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Firefox browser on Huawei Nova 11i. And to do this we can open our app gallery. Right here in the search find the Firefox. Click on Get and this should transfer you to the GitHub website where you can download the app file for the Firefox. So in this case we're gonna go for the Firefox. Let's zoom in. Okay, don't zoom, I guess. So we want to pick the second option, which is Firefox, the version of it, and then ARMREABI, and we want to download this one. When it's ready, click on it to add it to the download list and wait for the download to finish. Then select that app file, allow, and install it. When it's ready, you can open the browser, and as you can see, it works fine. So choose your theme for the browser, pick a toolbar placement, sign in to turn on synchronization, switch between different privacy protection settings, and read the privacy notice. Lastly, click on Start Browsing, and from there you can start browsing. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.